Students, in the last video, we saw the easiest way to remember the trigonometric ratios and the values of it. Now we will start with the MCQs on the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. Question number 1. Triangle PQR is right angled at P, where PQ is equal to 15 centimeter and QR is equal to 17 centimeter. Then the length of PR is equal to dash centimeter. Options are A 7 centimeter, B 15 centimeter, C 18 centimeter and D 8 centimeter. So let us solve this question number 1. So let us draw the figure first. It is given that PQR, triangle PQR, right angled at P. That means this right angle is P. And this is Q and this is R. Now PQ is given 15 centimeter. QR is 17 centimeters. Now we have to find out the length of PR. So for this we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse square, that is QR square, is equal to PR square plus PQ square. So QR is given 17 square is equal to PR, which we have to find out, plus 15 square. Now 17 square is 289 is equal to PR square plus 15 square is 225. Now we take this side, so 289 minus 225 is equal to PR square. So this comes to 64 is equal to PR square. So PR is equal to root of 64. That is PR is equal to 8 centimeters. So our correct option is option D, 8 centimeters. Question number 2. Given that tan A is equal to 4 upon 3, then the value of sin A is equal to dash. Options A 5 upon 4, B 3 upon 5, C 4 upon 5, D 3 upon 4. Now to solve this, we have to draw the right angle triangle. The value of tan A is given as 4 upon 3. Tan A is opposite side upon adjacent side. To find AC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now AC square is equal to AB, that is 3K square plus 4K square. Or AC square is equal to 9K square plus 16K square. That is AC is equal to 9 plus 16 is 25K square. So AC is equal to 5K. Now we have to find out the value of sin A, and sin A is opposite side upon hypotenuse. So sin A is equal to BC upon AC, that is 4K upon 5K. So here we are getting the value 4 upon 5. So the correct option is option C, 4 upon 5. Question number 3. The value of sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree is dash. Options are A 1, B 0, C root 2 and D 1 upon root 2. So here we have to find out the values of this equation. So for this we have to use the trigonometric value table. So here sin 60, sin of 60 is root 3 upon 2 and cos of 30 is root 3 upon 2. So substitute these values in the given equation. That is sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree. So sin 60 is root 3 upon 2 into cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 plus sin 30. Yeah. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2 and cos 60 is also 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2. So multiply this. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 and 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 into 2 is 4. So the answer is 4 upon 4. That is 1. So the correct answer is option A, 1. Question number 4. The value of 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree is dash. So let us solve this. Let's write the equation. 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. So substitute values of all these. So 2 into 10 square, 10 45 is 1, so 1 square plus cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 whole square minus sin 60 is root 3 upon 2, so sin square, so we have to write here square. So it is as same as 1 minus 1 or root 3 minus root 3, so these two values will get cancelled. And here we are getting 2 into 1 square is 1. So the answer is 2. So here for question number 4, the correct answer is option B, 2. Question number 5. The value of sec 39 degree minus cosec 51 degree is dash. The options are A 0, B 1, C 2 and D 1 upon 2. So for this, we take the trigonometric ratios, that is cosec 90 minus A is equal to sec A. So this value we have to substitute in this equation, that is sec 39 degree minus cosec 51 degree. Now sec A is cosec 90 minus A. So cosec 90 minus 39 degree minus cosec 51. 90 minus 39 is 51. So cosec 51 degree minus cosec 51 degree, so equal to 0. So the correct option is A, 0. Number 6. The pole 35 meter height cast a shadow 12 meter long. The distance of the top of the pole from the far end of the shadow is dash. So we have to find out the distance of the shadow. So option A is 13 meter, B 25 meter, C 37 meter and D 47 meter. So it is given that the height of the pole, let us say AB, is 35 meters and the distance of the top of the pole from the far end of the shadow, that is this is shadow, this is top end. So this distance is 12 meter. So pole means it is standing erect, so here it will be 90 degree. So ABC is a right angle triangle. Now we have to find the length of AC. So by using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB is given 35 square plus 12 square. So 35 square is 1225 plus 12 square is 144. So AC is equal to root of, adding both these we are getting 1369. So the AC is equal to 37 meter. Root of 1369 is 37. So AC is equal to 37 meter. So the correct option is AC. Correct option is C, 37 meters. Question number 7. Two poles standing vertically on a plain ground. The distance between their foot is 12 meter and that between their tops is 13 meter. If the shorter pole is 7 meter, then the larger pole is dash. So first draw the figure. So smaller pole is 7 meters and this is our longer pole. So the distance between the shorter pole and the longer pole is given as 12 meters and the distance of the top of this pole is given as 13 meter. So as we all know that the poles means it is erect, so it is 90 degree from the ground. So here we are getting this right angle triangle. Now these two lines, poles are parallel, so if this is 12 meter, then this will also 12 meters. We have to find out the length of this longer pole. So by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to, here we name as A, B, C, D and this is E. So by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to BE square plus AE square. E square plus BE square. So we know AB is 13 meter, BE is 12 meter and AE we have to find out. So 13 square is 169, 12 square is 144 plus AE square. So 169 minus 144 is equal to AE square. So AE is equal to 169 minus 44 is 25. So root of 25 is 5. So 5 meter. AE is 5 meter. So we got this AE 5 meters. Now these two are parallel. So distance between the two poles are same. So this will be 7 meter. So 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 meters. So the height of the larger pole is 5 plus 7 is 12 meter. Question number 8. If tan 30 degree into sin 60 degree is equal to tan 60 degree into cos 60 degree into tan A, then the value of A is dash degree. Tan 30 degree into sin 60 degree is equal to tan 60 degree into cos 60 degree into tan A. So substitute the value. Tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3 into sin 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 is equal to tan 60 is root 3 into cos 60 is 1 upon 2 into tan A. Root 3 will get cancelled. So here we are getting 1 upon 2 equal to root 3 upon 2 tan A. So tan A is equal to, this will go up, so 2 upon 2 root 3, 2 will get cancelled, so 1 upon root 3. So tan A is equal to 1 upon root 3. That means 1 upon root 3 is the value of tan 30 degree. So since tan 30 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3, angle A is equal to 30 degree. So the correct option is B, 30 degree. In the next video, we will solve the question MCQs on chapter probability. Thank you.